Sleep is a fundamental physiological process that plays a vital role in our overall health and well-being. Although sleep has been studied for centuries, many mysteries still surround its mechanisms and functions. However, significant progress has been made in understanding the science of sleep, including its stages, brain activity during sleep, and the purpose of dreaming. Let's explore some of the key aspects of sleep and the current understanding of these phenomena. Sleep stages. Sleep is typically divided into two main categories: rapid eye movement, REM, sleep, and non-rapid eye movement, NREM, sleep. NREM sleep is further divided into three stages: N1, N2, and N3. Stage N1. This is the transitional stage between wakefulness and sleep. It is characterized by light sleep, and people may experience brief periods of muscle twitches or sudden jerks. Stage N2. This is the first true stage of sleep, where brainwave activity slows down, and the body prepares for deeper sleep. It is during this stage that most of our sleep time is spent. Stage N3, also known as slow-wave sleep, SWS, or deep sleep. This stage is characterized by the slowest brainwave activity. It is considered the most restorative stage, important for physical rejuvenation and growth, as well as memory consolidation. REM sleep is the stage during which dreaming occurs. It is characterized by rapid eye movements, increased brain activity resembling wakefulness, and muscle paralysis to prevent acting out dreams. Brain activity during sleep. Advanced techniques like electroencephalography, EEG, and functional magnetic resonance imaging, fMRI, have allowed researchers to investigate brain activity during sleep. Different sleep stages exhibit distinct patterns of brainwaves. NREM sleep. Brainwaves during NREM sleep show slower frequencies and higher amplitudes compared to wakefulness. These slower waves are associated with the restorative processes of the body and brain. REM sleep. During REM sleep, brain activity is similar to wakefulness, with rapid and desynchronized brainwaves resembling an awake, alert state. This stage is crucial for cognitive processes, emotional regulation, and memory consolidation. Functions of sleep. Sleep serves several essential functions for our overall health and well-being. Restoration. During sleep, the body repairs and rejuvenates tissues, supports immune function, and re-energizes the brain. Deep sleep, in particular, is crucial for physical restoration. Memory consolidation. Sleep plays a critical role in consolidating memories and integrating newly acquired information into long-term memory. Both NREM and REM sleep contribute to different aspects of memory consolidation. Brain plasticity. Sleep is involved in synaptic plasticity, the process by which the connections between neurons are strengthened or weakened. It is crucial for learning, creativity, and cognitive function. Emotional regulation. Sleep helps regulate emotions and process emotional experiences. Insufficient sleep can lead to mood disturbances and emotional dysregulation. Dreams. Dreams occur predominantly during REM sleep, although they can also happen during NREM sleep. The exact purpose of dreaming is still debated, but several theories have been proposed. Memory consolidation. Dreams may aid in consolidating and integrating memories, helping us make sense of our experiences and emotions. Emotional processing. Dreams provide a platform for emotional processing, allowing us to work through unresolved emotions and experiences in a safe environment. Problem solving. Dreams may contribute to creative problem solving and cognitive insight by connecting disparate information and facilitating novel connections. Neural activation. Dreams might result from the random activation of neural circuits during sleep, serving no specific purpose other than the brain's intrinsic activity. It is important to note that sleep and dreaming are complex phenomena, and our understanding of them continues to evolve. Ongoing research and advancements in neuroscience will likely uncover more insights into the science of sleep, unraveling the remaining mysteries surrounding rest and dreams.